Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind,
seafood, y'all. Look at this. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat this. I am so hungry. I haven't had this in so long. Like, I haven't had it in so freaking long. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we're having some seafood boil. I haven't had this in a while. Like the last time I think I had this was my birthday. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's the last time I had this. So I got some wings. Cause when I tell you I'm hungry, I am hungry. Oh wait, let me find this thing first before I there's something on Instagram I want to talk about. So you know, watch Jazzy, right? She's dating Cam Newton. Honey garlic wings. Oh my god, I miss this. We got some shrimp. So, Ashanti and Nelly's back together. Y'all need to see this good old seafood board I'm about to tear up right now. I'm so sorry I can't have it. It's been a minute and I don't mind eating this by myself. So we're gonna go with the egg. Yeah, they're back together. I saw pictures of them. I saw a video of them at a basketball game or some type of game, and I saw a picture of them holding hands. So I mean, Ashanti and Nelly had a long history, but I don't know. I guess they needed time. But they've been broken up, so they're cute together. Look how long he was with that girl and he didn't marry her. Were they engaged? I don't even remember. I feel like if you with me for like more than 3 years and you're not gonna marry me, then I'm out. They be waiting 10 years plus. I'm not waiting that long. Hell no. Either you want to be me or you don't. Alright. Yeah, so crab legs. Oh, I didn't tell y'all, crab legs, corn, potato, shrimp. I was gonna get one lobster tail, but that shit came up to like $60 something, almost $70. I was like, no, take it out. Oh. I ask y'all, would y'all get y'all significant other name tattooed on you? Me personally, to each his own, but me personally, no. For number one, my reason being, men are embarrassing, okay? Nope. I never do that. Only my son, and I thought about it. I only thought about tattooing 2-person name. I'm so far, and it was my mom and my son. I haven't done it because I'm honestly scared of needles. And people are like, oh, when they ask me if I don't got no tattoos. So when they ask me if I got tattoos, I'm like, no. I'm like, I'm scared. They're like, if you give birth to if you give birth to get a tattoo, I'm like, not the same. Stop comparing that. It's not the same. Because first of all, the tattoo gonna be on you constantly moving. Like the needle gonna be on you. The tattoo. The needle gonna be on you constantly moving. Like I hate, first of all, I hate needles, so that's number one. And that's why it's not gonna work for me. I hate going to the doctor to get shots. Like, I'm terrified. But yeah, I don't think I would ever get any, especially if a man. Probably if a family member, like, if I don't know, because I was supposed to get my mom last year and I did not. I was scared, and the price too. That was like too much, right? So I don't think I want to waste so much money for just somebody put Hank on me. No. So I don't think I would. I don't know. So far, no. For a man though, hell no. For a family member, maybe. So I said this to say, I see a post on Instagram. Watch Jazzy. First of all, she is gorgeous. I remember a couple months back, she had made a video of saying that, what was the video? I think she says she is very submissive to her man or something like that. I think she said she take care of him, like she do everything for him. Literally, she fold his clothes, she pack his stuff, she said she do a lot. Now, I mean, me personally, I'll do your laundry, but the other stuff, I forgot what she had said. I don't remember everything that she said, but the other thing that she said, like, I think people are saying that she's literally treating him like a child or enabling him or something like that. So that I'm not doing. People really be out here enabling a grown ass man though, but I ain't doing that. So I remember when the interview came out, I was trying to find out who she was talking about, and then when they found out, people was like, "Girl, you talking about that man? Like, really?" She like what she like, right? But everybody was getting at her because she was saying, she said what she, I think of the video, she was saying that us women should not settle or take care of men or something like that. It was a video of her saying something to that, similar to that. But I guess she changed. They were saying about him because he has 7 kids. And allegedly, he had cheated on his wife or ex-fiance by getting somebody else pregnant. So I was like, yeah, he has 7 kids. I cannot do that. Well, I don't even want to date a man that's had more than 2 kids. So to have 7 kids, I can't manage that. Hell no. Well, do you, boo? Do you? If you could handle 7 kids, yeah, that's a lot, but whatever. Recently, she got a tattoo of him. Is his name right here? His initial right here under her neck. CJN. People are like, it's crazy how you get a tattoo of a man that didn't give you the ring yet. I mean, I agree with that. Somebody was like, well, she's moved him, so I guess she's okay with it. Okay, first of all, we don't know what he's doing for her. But at the same time, I don't know. People do what they want to do. But I would never do that. Only garlic wings. That looks so good. It tastes really good too. So yeah, like, where's his tattoo at? That's another thing. If I'm going to tattoo on a man, that's not gonna happen. What I'm saying, if I'm gonna do that, And you got touch my name too. But like I said, I would never do that. Listen, we don't know how that man treated her, so we can't really say. Because you have 7 kids, people's going off with that, like, and I understand what he's saying. Because you have 7 kids. Is it 7 different mothers? Is that what it is? 7 different mothers too? I don't know. Yeah, if Chris Brown and Usher do verses together, that would be history. That would be the best. Usher and Chris Brown? I'm not comparing. First of all, Usher is gold. Chris Brown is definitely a legend, but Usher, come on now. Like Chris Brown look up to Usher, so like how can y'all compare the two? Yeah, so my other phone just died, so I'm using another one again. So I was saying, if your flight leaves at 11 a.m., what time should you be at the airport? My flight coming up, I'm making sure I'm gonna be at the airport early. Be there, this was supposed to be the 3 hours before it. But not work out, I want it to be. It's too big. Oh my god. It's so good. Last time I said 10:35. I mean, I guess if you checked in online here. So I said 10:45, 10:15. It's supposed to be the 3 hours before, but some people, I don't do that. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, where's the girl? I'm trying to find her. Oh, here it is. Found it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to type my man shit too. I'll tell y'all his initials when I find out myself. People funny. I was gonna say something, but I don't want him under this comment talking in hieroglyphics. The way they talking about the way he be typing. I'm not even trying to funny, but why do women get their boyfriend's name titled on them? Girl, that's their business. If he doing it too, I guess that's cool. But if you're the only one that's doing it, I don't know. Show you that if the bag is right, women will settle for any kind of man. Somebody said, man, all that advice she gave was, I feel played a tad. She was giving out a lot of advice though when she was single. So like she was going in. So I understand this comment. Right? I was like, this ain't the same chick I was following. It means nothing. A woman gave his kids and was left behind. That man got 7 kids, sis. If you just trying to play, if you just playing for your come up, I understand. But 7 kids for an ex-wife and one under 5, shit. They're like, I feel you. I'm sorry, I ain't doing it either. But the girl wants what she wants. Like I said, to each his own. Everybody grown. But that could never be me. I ain't dating no man with no 7 kids. What the fuck I look like? I got 1. And she don't got none. She wanna deal with 7 kids. Girl, you strong. This comment right here is funny. Soon as you save the number with the emojis and the tag the nigga name, they show you why you're supposed to cheat just in case. No, as soon as you put an emoji next to a nigga name, for sure, he show his ass. All the time. All the time. Like, why do they change up? Like, how do they know? I didn't even say that my finger was cut. But how the hell do they know that we put emojis next to their name? Because they so happen to just F up right there, like, so quick. Like, nigga. He really fumbled his ex-wife. Who's his ex-wife? I don't know who his ex-wife is. I always heard about him, but I never saw his face until when she made the interview. I'm not a sports fan, so I don't really watch sports. I don't watch sports to even know who the person was. So when she did the interview, I was trying to figure out who she was talking about. I saw him. I was like, ooh, okay, girl. She just so happy she was picked. Oh my gosh. These people in there is a mess. Why would she comment that? How many children and baby mamas does he have? A red flag. That's red flag for sure. Yeah. I don't think I could do more than one baby mama. Honestly, I'm going in. I'm giving you what I have. Like, I'm going in the same energy. I'm dating a man with one baby mother. I think I've dated a guy with like 2 before, but I honestly didn't want to. I'm not doing that again. One baby mama. Okay. I got one baby father. Somebody said crazy tail so. And do y'all like to be embarrassed? Like, what is it? Maybe she's secure in her man. Like, she know what she got. She knows he's not going. Let me shut up. I put the roof up though. I was going in. I don't think I'm gonna save this though. Ain't not even saving here. Your girl is hungry. Okay. Somebody said she can finally leave Zach alone now. If y'all watch Zatima, that's what she's talking about. He seems narcissistic. I don't know. If you dealt with a narcissist, then you know. Been there, done that. I don't know because I ain't had this in a while, but this tastes 10 times better than the last time I had it. Take a break into some water. I just noticed I wasn't drinking no water. I see a comment that I have to read out. Hold on. This is the last comment I read. Ladies, please remember when y'all tag a person's name on yourself, y'all are carrying their energy with you throughout your life. So make sure the person is at minimum a genuine human being. If this quality looks different, is the iPhone X. The other phone I was using is the 6S. So let me finish up because I am getting full. But y'all, Martin got his star on the Hollywood Hall of Fame. I'm so happy for him. Martin been supposed to get that. Like, I saw a comment that made sense. I'm like, how they gave DJ Khaled? I mean, not saying DJ Khaled is not whatever, but Martin supposed to been had that star. Like, why is Martin just not getting a star? And you know, it's funny to me because I never noticed that he didn't have one. Like, yeah, he deserved that. That was well overdue. Yeah, I don't even know these people. I don't really care for her. But the fact that she said she has, I think she said she has 7 tattoos of him. Chief Keef. What that girl name? Bad Baby. First of all, Chief Keef is not even cute. So, but whatever. To each his own. And then I think she said she's gonna stop because she's gonna start being delusional. Something like that she said. At least she admitted it. Like, some people be out here still chasing the man, still giving the man chances and be delusional as hell. Very delusional. But I'm about to wrap this video up because I'm getting full. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.